Tired of the same old takeout? Let's dive into Thailand's most addictive curries. First up, the iconic Gaeng Keow Wan, or Thai green curry. Just look at that vibrant emerald color. It's poured over tender chicken, Thai eggplant, and bamboo shoots. The slow swirl of coconut milk, the fresh basil, and kaffir lime leaves. This dish is a perfect balance of spicy, sweet, and fragrant. Served with fluffy jasmine rice, it's an absolute classic. Next, we have the rich and nutty Panang Curry. Its beautiful reddish-brown sauce is thick, creamy, and loaded with that irresistible peanut flavor. We're spooning it over succulent beef, topped with glistening kaffir lime leaves. A final drizzle of coconut cream makes this dish pure comfort in a bowl. Finally, the gentle and aromatic Tom Kha Gai. This creamy white coconut soup is both mild and incredibly flavorful, with tender chicken, galangal, and lemongrass. A fresh squeeze of lime and a few drops of chili oil bring it all to life. 3 curries, 3 unique experiences. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious inspiration.